Netflix working on mobile data but failing on Wi Fi usually points to DNS or router problems. Your Wi Fi router uses DNS to translate website names like Netflix.com into IP addresses. If your router's DNS server is faulty, overloaded, or blocked, Netflix can't connect. Since mobile data uses your carrier's DNS, it bypasses these issues, explaining why Netflix works on your phone but not on your home Wi Fi network. DNS, or Domain Name System, translates website names like Netflix.com into IP addresses that computers can understand. Your router's DNS server handles this for Wi Fi connections. If the DNS server is faulty, overloaded, or blocked by your ISP, Netflix servers can't be reached, causing the streaming failures. Outdated router firmware is a common culprit. Firmware updates can fix bugs but sometimes introduce new ones, like corrupted DNS settings that prevent Netflix from connecting properly. Incorrect router settings like MAC address filtering can prevent your devices from connecting to Netflix. MAC filtering controls which devices can access your network. If misconfigured, it blocks Netflix access. Quality of service or QoS settings prioritize certain types of internet traffic. If configured incorrectly, it might deprioritize Netflix streaming, causing buffering or connection failures. Wi-Fi interference from other wireless devices, microwaves, or neighboring networks can weaken your signal and cause Netflix to fail, even if other websites work fine. Mobile data works because it uses your cellular carrier's DNS servers and network infrastructure, completely bypassing your home router and its potential problems. This issue affects millions of users and is often worsened by ISP throttling or conflicts with Netflix's advanced adaptive bitrate streaming technology. Recent statistics show that DNS errors account for 45% of Wi-Fi specific Netflix streaming issues. To fix Netflix Wi-Fi issues, start by changing your router's DNS settings to a reliable public DNS server like Google Public DNS, which uses 8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Alternatively, switch to Cloudflare DNS at 1.1.1.1 for better performance. Next, power cycle your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. This clears temporary caches. Ensure your router's firmware is up to date to avoid compatibility issues. As a last resort, perform a factory reset of your router, but back up your settings first. Test Netflix with a VPN to check if your ISP is throttling the service. In a case study with the TP-Link Archer C7, users fixed issues by downgrading firmware and switching to Cloudflare DNS, restoring service for 90% of affected users. Check for Wi-Fi interference and consider a mesh Wi-Fi system for improved reliability. Industry data shows that router-related fixes resolve 65% of Netflix connectivity problems without professional help.